15's John Erickson is live at the Glendale airport. And John, the issue there, it sounds like, has divided a Peoria neighborhood that's right next door.
And Katie, picture me as the pilot of the single-engine Piper. Just what route will I take when I take off from Glendale Municipal here? How low will I be? That's the debate neighbors are having. And as we are at bedtime, 10 o'clock here, we have seen planes taking off and landing right here at the runway. The flight path of planes like this one is not what worries Lucy Lopez. Instead, it's the flight path and the altitude of planes like this one.
It's insane, but if it's not one, they're one after another, one after another.
She lives in a Peoria neighborhood that's almost next door to the Glendale airport, near the 101 and Glendale Avenue. The little planes get so close, she says.
In the backyard, they're right there. My mother stands up with the hose trying to wet them because they look that close.
Lucy was one of several dozen neighbors who met with airport and city officials tonight about the issue. Most of those neighbors say it seems that there are more planes lately and they're flying lower routes, meaning more noise. I do have to ask you, though, you moved in next to an airport, right?
Well, we didn't even know it was of any concern. We've been here, 3.5 years, and we never had that problem. 4 years.
Dave Barron lives around the corner from Lucy in the same neighborhood. He knows the airport's there because he keeps his plane there, flies in and out.
We have seen from time to time, we'll see an airplane come by that seems a little on the loud side. I don't see that as habitual. I see it as occasional.
The airport boss tells me that all they can do for now, at least, is ask pilots to try to keep it quiet. And Katie, a plane took off just as that story played. The airport administrator here tells me there are two reasons for more flight traffic lately. One, there's some construction at Goodyear's airport, so more planes are using this facility. And two, the economy has improved. More people are trying to learn to fly, and 80% of the flights here at Glendale are for flight school, people learning how to be a pilot.
Two interesting factors there, John. Thank you.